Hi everyone, welcome back to Skill to Earn. Today we are going to talk about how to sell on Amazon India. You all know Amazon. Most of us already are buyers on this portal and we buy multiple things from here. Now, as a seller, I am going to take you through step-by-step guide to sell on this portal. So, what are the benefits? Number one, you are a business owner. You are setting up your virtual shop. You get customers from all over India. No physical storage required, right? I mean, there is no shop required. You might be storing some inventory with you, but there is no shop required. Work at your own convenience. You decide your own products and profit margin and manufacture or buy in bulk and sell in retail. So that is how this is going to work. So before you start selling on India, there is something called as setting up your business in India. Okay, there is a separate video on this Skill to Earn channel which explains in details about company registration, opening a current account, logo registration, GST, which is goods and services tax. So if you complete all this process, look at this video. Okay, I have also given here the link, and once you see this video you will know how to set up your business. So that is a registration process. That is all required to sell on Amazon. So once you do that, follow the next steps. So there is something called as seller account or seller central. Okay, so Amazon India has a seller central where you have to go and register your seller account. There is a seller account form which you have to fill, submit it, complete the OTP verification, your registration will be complete. Now you have two accounts, a default account which is a buyer account and this one is a seller account. Here, as you have already completed the business process and you have a current account, go ahead and enter all your bank details over here where you want to receive the payment. Category selection and product listing is most important part on Amazon. Study various categories first. What are the categories available? Understand which category a customer will choose to find your product. Right? I mean, imagine that you are a buyer. You are going to Amazon India to buy something. You want to buy perfumes, you want to buy clothes, you want to buy shoes. So where you will search, how you will browse, which categories you will go and search. The same way other customers will also choose. So accordingly select your category. Select the right categories. You can select multiple categories also. Selecting a wrong category will directly hamper your sale. Within a category, select a proper subcategory and then upload your product details. A detailed description of your products and the notes on how to use that product are required. Product listing creates a ASIN, which is Amazon Standard Identification Number. So that ASIN is definitely required for each product, which is a 10 character unique code. It identifies every single product on Amazon. So product photos, definitely ask a professional photographer to take the product photos, okay, and then upload them on the site. Of course, if you are going to have your own packing, then a correct logo is required. Even a smallest mistake in the logo will reject it on Amazon. Now the next step, after you list your product, you want to ship it, right? Wherever customer orders it, you have to decide how the shipping will take place. So there are three choices. Number one, fulfillment by Amazon, FBA, where Amazon handles the entire logistics chain from their own warehouse. Okay, storage, you send your inventory to Amazon fulfillment center or Amazon warehouse. From there, the products will be picked up and delivered to the customer. Number two, Amazon Easy Ship, which is ES, where you control your stock. You have your own godown or warehouse, while Amazon manages the actual delivery. Okay, so the product storing is with you, delivery, logistics is with Amazon. Number three is self-shipping, which is merchant fulfilled. So you maintain the total ownership over end-to-end fulfillment process. That is, you hold the inventory also. you manage your own inventory, you manage your own logistics, tie up with a courier, delivers, returns, everything you will have to manage. So that is the third shipping process. Publish and sell. So structure a search optimized title. Okay, we have seen in some social media videos on this channel what is SEO. So similar SEO applies to anything where you are doing an online business. So look at those videos also. So place your primary product type and brand name in the first words. Okay, then use the standard format. There is a standard format. Amazon advises you how to name your product. Okay, how to define your product, how to give the details about your product, and then the images. So a pure white background is always preferred. Proper clear photographs are required by a professional photographer. Okay, if your product has a logo, the logo should be visible properly. If the products are packed, okay, on all the packings the logo should be visible. There are proper guidelines on how to show the logo while getting your product approved. So all those things are definitely required to publish. The next step to publish and sell your products is write benefit driven bullet points. Any product which you want to buy, you will obviously go and see what are the benefits. Now you are a seller, so from the buyer's perspective you will write at least 3 to 5 clear bullet points and avoid stuffing with too many things. Don't write a lot of keywords just so that the SEO is powerful and people should search your product quickly. We will come to that marketing part in the later slide, but don't write too much of clutter. Keep it simple and write clear benefits. There is a technical checklist also. Okay, most of this is required by manufacturers, but ensure you will have a legitimate barcode from the Office GS1 website. If you are a manufacturer, your own generic items, then apply for a GTIN exemption beforehand. There are so many complications in this. If you are a manufacturer, okay, there are multiple other licenses are required. So obviously you can read the slides in detail, but I will not be covering it while talking because they may not be applicable for everybody. Now, what are the revenue tips and common mistakes people do? Sponsored ads, okay, within Amazon and outside Amazon. At both the places you have to do digital marketing. Bundle offers, products which a customer can buy together. When you are buying a product, you will always see that, okay, suppose you are buying a mobile, they will say that, okay, do you need a headphone, do you need a Bluetooth, okay, do you need a cover, all those things they will keep on showing you as soon as you decide to buy a mobile. So that is called a bundle offer. And you can look at repeat customers. You will have to track them so that you can target the repeat customers and sell them over and over again. Please note that while deciding selling price, consider product cost, packaging and transport, admin charges, Amazon charges, we can also call it as Amazon commission, and marketing charges. All these are to be added while deciding the product cost. Common mistakes: bad photos, high price, stock out situation, or logo or product names not in line with what is expected in the market. So if these are the things which are taken care of, you will be able to make good revenue. Example of home-based seller. Suppose you are selling 50 products into 500 product cost. Monthly sale is 25,000. Net profit may be around 20% considering all other costs. So your monthly income will be 5,000. This is for a home-based seller. Similarly, if you have a product seller, okay, a brand product seller, you have already established yourself and you are able to sell more. Suppose you sell 300 products at the cost of 800, monthly sales is 2,40,000, net margin may be around 18%, okay, and monthly income can be 43 to 45,000 depending on how much sales you are able to make. So people generally have a question on how much money I'll make. That is why I have taken these two examples. This is how your board will look. Okay, there is a dashboard on Amazon. This is not the actual dashboard. This is an image just to show you how it looks like. How many orders you have received, what is the sales amount in this month, how many orders are pending, how many returns have come. Okay, add product. How does it look? Product name, category, price and stock. This is how Amazon will show you. If the product stock is maintained at Amazon go down, they will be able to show you the stock. If you are maintaining the stock, then you will have to fill in this figure. How to increase the sale on Amazon with all this process? Now you have listed your product, you have uploaded photos, you have started selling. Okay, a few items you have already sold. Now how do you increase that? You need to bring these products in front, right? They should be visible to the customer. They should not be somewhere deep inside into multiple categories and subcategories and nobody is able to see that. So how to bring them in forefront? There is an internal digital marketing on Amazon, okay, to bring these products in front. This is as good as running a paid campaign on social media. You may be aware, or if you are not, see the social media marketing videos on this channel. There are paid campaigns on Facebook, LinkedIn, Google, everywhere. Similarly, there are paid campaigns on Amazon also. Internal and external marketing charges are additional expenses which you have to consider while deciding the selling price of your product. Okay, consider multiple costs you have to bear, then decide your price and then sell on Amazon. Thanks for watching. This is the copyright content as usual. If you have still not subscribed to the channel, subscribe it. It definitely helps you, that you will get, after pressing the bell icon, you will get a notification. You will see that new videos are being uploaded. Okay, in your feed also you will see the new videos. Also, the new people who are not seeing these videos, they will also be notified, because more the subscribers, YouTube will show these videos to more people. So thanks to all those people who have already subscribed. If you have not, please subscribe. Thank you once again.